Anthropic's Claude AI predicts the price of XRP, SOL, and Doge by end of 2025. Dogecoin, Solana, XRP. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Anthropic's sophisticated Claude AI believes XRP, Solana, and Dogecoin prices could rocket by Christmas. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Web3 journalist Tim Hakki. Web3 journalist Tim Hakki. About author. A journalist and copywriter with a decade's experience across music, video games, finance, and tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 3 hours ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Claude, Anthropic's the flagship AI assistant, predicts that XRP, Solana, and Dogecoin may be the top performers to watch over the coming weeks. If the forecasts hold true, investors could be looking at handsome returns before 2025 wraps up. At the moment, though, the ride remains bumpy. Just last Thursday, Bitcoin set a fresh all-time high at $124,128, nudging past the $122,838 level it reached earlier this month. That surge quickly lost steam once the Bureau of Labor Statistics dropped hotter than expected July inflation data, triggering a long sell-off that briefly dragged BTC under $113,000 today. Even with the turbulence, optimism is building that U.S. regulators are finally sketching out a clearer rulebook for digital assets. President Trump recently signed the Genius Act, the first nationwide legislation for stablecoins, requiring every token to be fully backed by reserves. On top of that, the SEC rolled out Project Crypto, a sweeping initiative meant to redefine how securities law applies to the digital asset space. With this regulatory groundwork emerging, analysts are increasingly calling for another explosive market cycle, this time led by altcoins rather than Bitcoin. Should Claude's outlook prove right, XRP, SOL, and Doge could be among the biggest Christmas winners. XRP, Ripple Claude AI predicts up to 7x before 2026. According to Claude's analysis, XRP, $XRP, could make a run toward $20 by late August, or around 7x its current level of $2.85. The coin has already delivered strong results this year. On July 18th, XRP surged to $3.65, blowing past its 2018 peak of $3.40 before retracing about 21.6% to where it stands today. This is because market sentiment for risk assets has dimmed in the last week, weighed down by stubborn inflation concerns that have pressured both crypto and tech stocks. Despite headwinds, XRP adoption continues to grow. The UN Capital Development Fund endorsed the token last year as a promising tool for cross-border payments in emerging economies. Meanwhile, Ripple resolved its long-standing dispute with the SEC after the regulator dropped its 4-year case. A key 2023 court ruling had already clarified that retail XRP sales don't count as securities, a precedent that shields many top altcoins from being labeled as unlicensed securities. If XRP reclaims its July high, Claude sees a move around $5 to $7 as realistic before month's end. Technically, the charts show 3 bullish flag patterns over the past year, reinforcing the possibility of a breakout above $4 by mid-autumn. At present, XRP's RSI sits around 41, signaling persistent selling pressure. Yet, many traders view the dip as a buying window, especially with Ripple deepening ties to institutions and leaning into regulatory compliance. Over the past 12 months, XRP has climbed 375%, far outpacing Bitcoin's 85% and Ethereum's 63.5% over the same period. Solana $SOL Claude predicts ETF buzz and network expansion could Solana to $600. Solana $SOL, like Ethereum, has been steadily expanding its role in the smart contract space. Its market cap now sits above $98 billion, with both developers and institutional players flocking to its ecosystem. It now commands a total value locked TVL on-chain of over $10.6 billion, according to DeFi Llama. Hype is building around potential US Solana spot ETFs, which could mimic the massive inflows seen with Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF approvals. President Trump also hinted earlier this year that Solana may make the cut in his proposed national Bitcoin reserve, though only if sourced from seized assets rather than government purchases. From a price standpoint, Solana has broken free of a lengthy slump. After peaking at $250 in January, dropping to $100 in April, it has since bounced back to $182. Claude predicts that SOL could eventually climb as high as $600 by the end of 2025, more than double its prior record of $293.31 and 3x its current price, assuming regulatory clarity arrives and inflationary pressures cool. Dogecoin, $DOGE, the original meme coin, still barks loudest. Created back in 2013 as a joke, Dogecoin, $DOGE, has since become one of crypto's heavyweights, with a market valuation of $32.5 billion. Its strength comes from a loyal meme-driven community and its use as a payment token across an expanding set of platforms. Though Doge often mirrors Bitcoin's price swings, its strong liquidity and cult following have allowed it to thrive through several market cycles. Now priced near $0.2158, it's up 103% in the past 365 days, outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum, and fellow meme coin heavyweights, Shiba Inu and Pepe. Its RSI has cooled from a July high of 80 down to about 47 but could be preparing for an uptrend as new buyers step back in. In general, Doge's high market cap often aligns its price swings with more traditional large-cap cryptos, but it's also known for surges from time to time. Given the fact that the meme coin sector capitalizes $70.9 billion of the market, it's safe to say Doge almost single-handedly lifts it. Chart watchers have flagged a falling wedge pattern between November and April, often a bullish signal. This recurs from mid-July to August and again in mid-August, hinting at a possible surge soon. Claude's high-end scenario predicts Doge pushing to $10 by year's end, over 46x its current price. This is all but impossible. However, hitting the more achievable dollar milestone has long been part of the Doge Army's lore and remains a rallying cry for the community. Adoption also continues to climb. Tesla now accepts Doge for select products, while major payment platforms like PayPal and Revolut enable Doge transfers. Snorter, $Snort, a meme coin with utility in presale spotlight. While Claude predicts propitious moves for established names, many emerging projects are quietly gaining steam in presales. One attracting attention is Snorter, $Snort, a Solana-based meme coin that doubles as a utility token powering a Telegram trading bot. Analysts are eyeing it as a potential 10x to 12x play. Snorter integrates directly into Telegram, allowing users to view live prices, execute trades, and track the market, all without leaving the app. Extra features include rug pull detection, copy trading, and automated trade execution for convenience and security. The presale has already picked up traction, raising about $3.3 million to date. Early participants can stake tokens for yields up to 134% APY, though returns taper as adoption broadens. Currently, tokens are priced at $0.1021, with scheduled price hikes every few days to reward early entrants. By blending meme appeal with functional tools that give traders an edge, Snorter is targeting both crypto veterans and newcomers eager to profit in fast-moving markets. Joining the pre-sale is straightforward. Investors can purchase via the official Snorter website using either crypto or traditional payment cards, locking in their allocation before the next price jump. Keep up to date with the project on X and Telegram. Click here to participate in the pre-sale. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Your phone can now mine crypto. XRP mining app turns smartphones into daily miners. Ethereum price prediction. ETH tests $4,350 resistance, $10,000 this cycle. Latest ChatGPT 5 predicts XRP, SOL and ETH prices for end of 2025. Price analysis. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, XLM, and Doge this August. 2 days ago, by Tim Hakki. Price analysis. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, ETH, and SOL for the end of summer 2025. 1 day ago, by Tim Hakki. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. SEC ETF decision pushed to October 2025. Bullish or bearish? 3 days ago, by Ahmed Balaha. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 2 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 9 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 5 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 1 day ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 12 hours ago, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.